It's might be like a weird video. Be recording at 1951. Don't really care. As you can see, it's to them. Tell me if you know what these are. Yes, the fidget spinners. This is not mine. This is my sister's. But I'm looking for mine. Somewhere in my room is my yellow one. And I just can't find it.
Did you just mess up my PJs?
Yes.
It's not. What are you doing?
I'm recording a video called Fidget Spinners. Fidget spinners, are they good or are they not? Yes, now you know the title of the video. No, let's get mad. No, let's get mad. I have no sleep. I want to watch Phillips. Did you know? But, still searching. Can't find it. I don't know anymore. Because the thing is, guys, if you subscribe to me, I'm gonna upload a video like tomorrow. Zana. But as you probably don't know, but it's my birthday. Well, just look at that, guys. Embarrassment. I know. But guys, gotta have that recreation life though. But my birthday on the 2nd of June. If you follow me on Facebook, you would have known that. Known it. Dirt. I'm going to get mad. I'm fine. But there's one thing. It's fidget spinners. If you know them, you might not know them, but they're the biggest crave of 2013. Now, my school have banned them. They're still going around, but they've been banned. Now, not banned. What about your green fidget spinner? I didn't have a green fidget spinner. Well, I did. Until I saw brother was birth. So, to be fair, I just really don't care. I don't know. I really don't care. So, I don't care. But, nonetheless, there's some type of things that you need to know about fidget spinners. Is the fitness way to know the real and what's fake. Now, what I need to tell you is this. This is a fidget spinner. And I might know what the reason is why you know it's fake. It's not fake. You see that? You see it? See the metal bit inside? If you see that, that means it's not fake. And so this one's not fake. But I have one like this. This is supposedly my sister's. Now, this is the biggest crave for this year. And the boy then don't even have one. Why are you still doing it? Go with the video.